Hey Plan Fam! My name is Tiffany. Welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back, friends. Today we are doing a Plan With Me session in my Live Rich planner. I'm going to be putting together my monthly calendar for the month of November, as well as my dashboard. So come along for that journey. Okay, so I am going to open up to a new blank slate. Now, the interesting thing is I have actually not used my planner since August, but the wonderful thing about the Live Rich planner is it comes undated. So if you skip a month or two, in my case, you can always just pick up where you left off. So for this month, I'm going to be doing the month of November. I'm going to be using these cute little floral stickers that give you kind of a fall festive vibe. I may pull in some pumpkins from one of my other sticker collections, but this is kind of the theme that I'm going for this particular spread. And I have a lot of stickers, as most of you know who are familiar with my channel, from my collection, either with Planner Kate, Mama Gloria, the Happy Planner, Erin Condren, a little bit of everything. So I'll be pulling from that collection in order to populate my page. As I always mention, you obviously do not have to use as much stickers and decorations as I use. Handwriting is perfectly fine if that's your aesthetic. But this is just to give you some ideas in terms of how to use your planner, decorate your planner, and customize it to fit your needs. So I hope you enjoy the tips and ideas that I have to share. Now that I've created my foundation for my planner, I'm going to go in and start filling in the details. So I first want to start with creating my calendar key, which I use some dot markers that I'll share with you. And then I also want to fill in my events for the month, and then go back in and write in my goals and to-dos and everything else in terms of details at the end. So let me grab my dot markers, and then we're going to start filling in the actual calendar for this month. I like to use these really nice, vibrant markers that I purchased on Amazon by Tombow. They're called the Play Color Dot markers, and these are really great for being able to note the different categories on my calendar, and I will link them below if I can still find them on Amazon, so you'll be able to purchase them if you'd like. But let's get started. Okay, now I'm going to add my favorite TV premieres that I want to be aware of for this month, and then I'll pretty much be done. I can do some decorating, fill in the blanks, and be ready to jump into November when it gets here. I'll come back at the end and give you kind of a recap of my planning process, some of the highlights of things that I did in this session. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, thoughts, ideas, or recommendations. I always appreciate chatting with my Plan Fam. So that looks like that's all of my appointments, TV premieres, sales, and promos that I can think of at the moment. I'm sure there'll be a lot more as we're coming to the holiday season, and I'll add those as they come up. Now I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the details and do some of my decorating. So let's get started. Okay, that is my calendar spread for November. I wanted to make it festive, colorful, and just reminiscent of fall, the holidays, and everything that I love about this time of the year. So I tried to do that. Also paying homage to Thanksgiving, which actually, now that I think about it, let me put in my holiday here. And so this is now a finished calendar for me. I really enjoyed putting this together. I hope you enjoyed this session as well. All right, now I'm going to flip to my personal finance page, which I actually have transformed into my personal finance page and a monthly dashboard. I keep a lot of different things here in order to track them in my planner. So I'm going to show you how I set this up as well to get me through the month. Okay, so this is my dashboard for this month. I've included a weight tracker here at the top. I've also kept in the section for my income and expenses. I'll fill those in based on my budget by paycheck workbook. I also like to track the special days that we have this month. And that is pretty much my dashboard. So now you can see I have my monthly calendar, which gives me a glance of everything that's going on, all the things that I like to make sure that I'm aware of, all the way down to the shows that I like to watch that are coming on this month. And then my dashboard is a way for me to check my finances, my goals, my holiday preparations, projects that I have going on, social media. I just try to put a plethora of things here so that I can just have to turn to this one layout in order to get kind of a big picture about what I have going on, where my finances are going, and all of that. I hope that this planning session was helpful to you. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Take care, Plan Fam.